Hi everybody, this is Michelle Littler with OWLET Stampers, and I am super excited to share with you my October online class to go. This month we are featuring the Let It Snow Suite, and so we are going to be using several of these products in your class. So you will be getting several of these products included in your fee. You're going to get around $30 worth of supplies that you can use to create this class with extra left over to do more. And you even have the option to add on this bundle, which is this stamp set here with the coordinating punch at a discounted rate if you don't already own it. You will need that to complete this class. So in this class, you're going to make a 12 by 12 home decor sampler. It doesn't include the frame or the 12 by 12 white whisper white. That would be too hard to ship and make the cost go way up. So you'll provide that. Everything else is provided for you, including your extra products. And you're going to get to make 4 adorable cards. So let me give you a sneak peek of what you get to make. So here is the 12 by 12 sampler. Again, you're going to get all these pieces to do this. It's super cute. You can even add on an extra set to make for a friend or to do with a friend. And then you're going to make 4 adorable cards. And here's just a quick sneak peek of what those cards are going to look like. And so yes, this is a class for October. There's a few days left to register. You're not going to want to miss out on signing up for this class. Click the link below to do that. And have a great day.